resolution enjoining the Honorable Governor Arthur R. Defensor Jr. to conduct a dialogue with the Sugar Regulatory Administration, sugar traders, sugar millers, and operators to understand and analyze the sugar market on price, stocking trend, supply, and demand in the province of Iloilo. Number 2, resolution requesting the President, the Senate, the SRE National, Copy Furnish, SRE Visayas Division to furnish the Sangguniang Panlalawigan with the data of the sugar production, importation, and consumption, and to implement a mandatory registration of sugar traders that are wholesalers, retailers, distributors, warehouse storage facility operators, etc., operating within Iloilo province.
So moved. There's a motion by Board Member Mondejar, and second the motion. Honorable Cajilig, Soliano,
Madam Chair, to be sponsored by
Diaz, to pass, to be sponsored by Mapalapias, Board Palabrica, and Board Distura. Motion is approved.